Hello guys, welcome back once again in my today's class. Here you can see on your mobile screen we are having sum number 6 and this sum is from admission of partner chapter. Here we are having treatment of goodwill and already I am having one video on treatment of goodwill. You can go through that video in my channel. So this sum is little bit different. You can see here at the bottom of this sum, here it is written, see this one, fourth adjustment. You see this adjustment is different than any other sum. The capital account of all the partners be adjusted in proportion of new profit sharing ratio by opening current accounts of the partners. This is new. Previously what you were doing, okay, I'll explain in the sum only for your better understanding, right? Rushali and Lina are equal partners. Their profit sharing ratio is equal in the business. Their balance sheet as on 31st March 2018 stood as under. Here balance sheet date is given and remember this balance sheet is known as old balance sheet और हम लोग जो न्यू बैलेंस शीट बनाने वाले हैं that will be new balance sheet. These are liability side item, these are asset side item, and these entire items are to be transferred to new balance sheet. They decided to admit Aparna on 1st April 2018 on the following terms. So what new balance sheet you will be preparing, you'll be giving date 1st April 2018. I'll show you. See, in this way you will give date, and here I can write for your reference the word new, right? This is the new balance sheet. Machinery building be depreciated by 10%. Reserve for doubtful debts to be increased by 5%. So we are having adjustment on debtors, building, machinery. I'll put a tick on all these three items. I have put tick. Bills receivable are taken over by Rushali at 10% discount. So this bills receivable is also having adjustment. Aparna should bring 60,000 as capital. For her 1/4 share in future profit, the capital account of all the partners, this is done. Okay, student, luckily we are not having treatment of goodwill over here. Okay, so if there is no any goodwill in the sum, then you too don't have to do anything. Whatever is given you, that only. For example, here goodwill is not given, don't think anything about goodwill. So we'll start. मैंने already ये सब ready करके रखा हुआ है. And students, see this revaluation account is also known as profit loss adjustment account. यहाँ पे सारे losses आएंगे, जो भी business के लिए loss expenses है, will be recorded in debit side, and all the incomes and gains to the business will be recorded in credit side. चलो, we'll start posting. Creditors 90,000 will go to balance sheet. Liability side, we'll leave few lines over here to record partners capital account, and I'll start writing from here. Creditors, how much? 90,000. Next item is capital. Okay. This is 45,000. And this is 30,000. So 45,000 and 30,000. I'll record here in the credit side of partners capital account by balance carried down. Here will be 45,000 and here it will be 30,000, and here will be dash. Go back to the question. General reserve is given. It has to be distributed to old partners in their old ratio. I'll write here by general reserve. So it will be distributed equally, that is 9,000 and 9,000. In this way it will be distributed only to the old partners. Right. Next we are having not the net amount. Next, building 55,000, inner column. This is fixed asset, that's why it will be recorded on the top. Building is fixed asset. So I'll write here building. Building is 55,000. Inner column, so that we can adjust depreciation. Next is machinery 24,000, inner column. Next is bills receivable 12,000. Current asset है bills receivable भी 12,000. Okay, we have done balance sheet entries are transferred to new balance sheet. Old balance sheet entries का हमने सारे आइटम्स न्यू बैलेंस शीट में ट्रांसफर कर दिए हैं. यू विल ऑल्सो डू दी सेम थिंग. अमित का एडमिशन हो रहा है ऑन सो एंड सो डेट. The machinery and building is to be depreciated by 10%. So you have to reduce machinery as well as building by 10%. So reduction means that will be treated as depreciation 10%. So 5,500 is equal to 55,000 minus 5,500, that is 49,500, and machinery is also depreciated by 10%, that is 2,400 is equal to 24,000 minus 2,400. Now this 5,500 and 2,400, these two are depreciation, will be loss, and accordingly will be recorded in debit side. I'll write here depreciation on. Below that I'll specify asset building 5,500 and machinery 2,400. So outer column I'll have 5,500 plus 2,400. I will have 7,900. Two effects are done. We can go for the next adjustments. Okay, here we are having RDD 5,000, reserve for doubtful debts to be increased by 5,000. See, we had previously how much? 1,000 we had previously. और क्वेश्चन में बोल रहा है कि it is increased, reserve for doubtful debt to be increased by ₹5,000, मतलब 5,000 से RDD बढ़ गया है. That means RDD टोटल अभी कितना हो गया है? लेस RDD कितना हो गया है? टोटल 6,000 हो गया है. तो यहाँ पर कितना आ जाएगा 25,000, राइट। तो बेसिकली कितना लॉस हुआ है? लॉस 6,000 का हुआ है या 1,000 का है 5,000 का? एडजस्टमेंट में देखो लॉस 5,000 को हुआ एक्स्ट्रा लॉस, ये तो 1,000 तो पहले से ही था, तो आप इसका टू इफेक्ट्स नहीं देंगे, आप टू इफेक्ट्स ये देंगे। सी मैंने पहले बताया था एडजस्टमेंट आइटम्स के ही टू इफेक्ट्स आर टू बी गिवन। दिस इज नॉट 1,000 इज नॉट एडजस्टमेंट, दिस 5,000 is adjustment, so we have to give effect of 5,000 only. RDD is loss to the business, and that's why I'll record in the debit side of revaluation account. I'll write here to RDD. Two effects are done. We can go for the next adjustment. Bills receivable are taken by Rushali at 10% discount. So Rushali has taken over bills receivable. I'll write here Rushali. So 10% में लिया है इसने, बट आप यहाँ पर एंटायर 12,000 लिखेंगे, उसने 12,000 को 10% में लिया है, तो देखो यहाँ पे 12,000 का पूरा गया और यहाँ पर आ जाएगा आपका नील। रुशाली ने लिया तो यहाँ पर रुशाली का डेबिट में आएगा, यहाँ पे आएगा टू बिल्स रिसीवेबल रुशाली अकाउंट 12,000 नहीं आएगा, कितना आएगा 12,000 minus 10%. Okay, we are getting something different amount only. We'll calculate here. 12,000 minus 10% डिस्काउंट में लिया है रुशाली ने, तो आएगा 10 into 10 upon 100. So this much is discount. हाँ, तो यहाँ पर कितना आएगा 12,000 minus 1,200 इतने में, और बाकी का डिफरेंस 1,200 इज लॉस टू द बिजनेस। सो लॉस है तो यहाँ पर आएगा टू रुशाली अकाउंट। ओके, अभी bills receivable is done. Now this one adjustment number 3. This is a capital brought in by Aparna. So we'll go to the capital account. यहाँ पर आएगा अपर्णा। So Aparna has brought capital of rupees 60,000. So I'll write here buy, right? Buy cash or bank account 60,000, and that 60,000 will be added over here. I'll write here Aparna's capital 60,000 is equal to 1,22,000. Okay. Next. अच्छा, ये कैलकुलेट कर लेते हैं. I'll do that calculation over here. First calculation. New profit sharing ratio. So first of all, we'll calculate base ratio 1 माइनस 1 अपॉन यहाँ पर आएगा 4. 1 माइनस 1 अपॉन 4 इज इक्वल टू 3 अपॉन 4. ये मैंने पहले की वीडियो में बताया है कैसे आएगा. बाद में रूपशाली का न्यू रेशियो, टेक फर्स्ट हर बेस रेशियो दैट इज 3 अपॉन 4 इंटू ओल्ड रेशियो हाफ हाफ था, इक्वली था तो 1/2 विल बी इक्वल टू, देखो कितना आ जाएगा 3 1 ज़ा 3 अपॉन 4 2 ज़ा 8. Next, Lina. Way will be same. Base ratio take first, then into old ratio you take. Will be equal to same 3 upon 8. Next partner, Aparna. Aparna ka you take her new ratio. Initial new ratio is 1 upon 4 into. Now you can see here denominator is, in case of Rushali Lina denominator is 8, but यहाँ पे denominator 8 है तो इसको 8 करने के लिए क्या करना पड़ेगा, 2 से मल्टीप्लाई करना पड़ेगा. तो आपको न्यूमिनेटर में भी आपको 2 से मल्टीप्लाई करना पड़ेगा. सो इट विल बी 2 अपॉन 2 विल बी इक्वल टू 2 1 ज़ा 2 अपॉन 2 4 ज़ा 8. सो आवर न्यू रेशियो इज 3:2. ये हमारा न्यू रेशियो आ गया. नाउ नंबर 2, एडजस्टमेंट ऑफ पार्टनर्स कैपिटल इन न्यू रेशियो. फर्स्ट कौन है, फर्स्ट पार्टनर इज रूशाली. तो सबसे पहले रूशाली का हम लोग नंबर लगाएंगे. अच्छा, अभी ओल्ड पार्टनर्स का बेस लेंगे. ओल्ड पार्टनर का यहाँ पे रेशियो कितना है, 2. फॉर 2 शेयर हाउ मच कैपिटल ही हैज, फॉर 2 शेयर ही हैज हाउ मच कैपिटल, 60,000 कैपिटल. आई विल राइट हियर 60,000. देन अब रूशाली का ओल्ड रेशियो क्या है, 3 है. हाँ 3 है. तो रूशाली का 3 शेयर के लिए हाउ मच शुड बी कैपिटल. आई विल एक्सप्लेन अगेन. न्यू पार्टनर 2 शेयर के लिए 60,000 कैपिटल है, तो रूशाली का 3 शेयर्स के लिए कितना कैपिटल होना चाहिए. यू विल अप्लाई क्रॉस मल्टीप्लिकेशन फॉर्मूला. 60,000 इंटू 3 अपॉन 2. ओके, विल गेट दिस मच. नाउ लीना. ऑब्वियसली लीना का भी उतना ही आएगा 90,000. और अपर्णा का तो पहले से स्पेसिफाइड है 60,000. सो 90 90 60. अब इसको क्या करने का, यहाँ पे लिखने का डेबिट साइड में बाय बैलेंस राइट कैरी डाउन. 90,000 यहाँ पर भी आएगा 90,000 एंड हियर विल बी 60,000. राइट. अब क्या करने का, अब इसको बैलेंस करो. ये कितना हो गया 54,000. अच्छा, अभी आप ये देखेंगे ना, राइट, ये दोनों का टोटल करेंगे तो ये सेट का ज़्यादा है. ये सेट का कितना है 1,08,000 और इसका 54,000 है. तो ये ना 1,08,000 ये आप 1,08,000 है. ये 1,08,000. This 1,08,000 will be recorded on this side also. मतलब which side is less? This side is less, right? So उसका बैलेंस निकालेंगे. 1,08,000 minus 45,000 minus 9,000. You will get this much. अभी देखते हैं इसका, यहाँ पर लीना का देखते हैं, ये 90,000 और ये कितना है 39,000, सो दिस साइड इज हायर। तो ये भी अमाउंट हम लोग लिखेंगे यहाँ पे 90,000 माइनस 39,000 विल गेट दिस मच। और लास्ट पार्टनर का तो टैली हो रहा है। यहाँ पर यू विल राइट बाय पार्टनर करंट अकाउंट, राइट, क्योंकि क्वेश्चन में बोला है करंट अकाउंट में एडजस्ट करना है। And here I'll write to partner capital account. Now this 41,100 is to be divided among partners in their old ratio 14,100 into 1/2, half of the equally, so 7050 यहाँ पर भी आ जाएगा। And total of this should be this much 14,100। Now ये दोनों ट्रांसफर हो जाएगा यहाँ पे, ये दोनों क्रेडिट साइड में, राइट। These items are appearing in the credit side and then second effect will be on debit side. To revaluation account, यहाँ पर आएगा बाय। ए बंद कर, ए सरता, ये देखिए पुआ इधर उधर जा रही है, इधर से कड़ी लगा दे, कड़ी। रिवैल्यूएशन अकाउंट, here to same amount and here will be dash. Now आपने ये जो कैलकुलेट किया है ना, over here 1,08,750. I'll recheck the amount once again. 1,07,850 है, 1,07,850. Okay, same amount will be written over here. तो बैलेंस यहाँ पर आएगा, तो आप यहाँ पे लिखेंगे 1,07,850 माइनस 45,000 minus 9,000. So we are getting balance 53,850. Now we'll see Lina's account. Which side is higher? This side total is 97,050 rupees and this side is 39. That means this side is less. So ये side higher है 9750 rupees. 97,050 50 rupees. Okay, the same amount will be written over here. Total of these three people is 2,40,000. अरे सरिता क्या चल रहा है बे? And this will be recorded as current account. अब see, ये यहाँ पर क्रेडिट में, राइट? ये यहाँ पर क्रेडिट में, यहाँ पर कुछ भी नहीं है. Since these two are in credit side, so it will be recorded in debit side. These two account. Yes, total is 3,30,000. And yes, total is 3,30,000. In this way, this is tallied, right? So students, you also will be solving admission of partners sum in this way. If you are having any doubt or any response or any feedback, you can write your feedback, your response, your doubt, your query in chat box. Now I'll wind up my lecture. Thank you very much.